When we design your solar energy system, we build it with enough solar panels to offset as close to 100% of the electricity you use each year as possible. So when you're home during the day, you use your own clean solar energy to run everything first. And because you didn't get that power from the utility company, you don't pay them for it. Sometimes, when you're using more power in your house than your panels are generating, you draw power from the grid and your meter spins forward. At other times, when your solar panels are making more electricity than you're using, you send the excess electricity to the utility company and your meter spins backwards. Utility companies pay solar customers for their excess electricity through something called net energy metering. With net metering, you get the same credit for a unit of power going out as for power coming in. So each month, depending on how much electricity you export and how much you import, you can end up with either a charge or a credit for your usage on your monthly bill. After going solar, the goal is to get as close to paying nothing to the utility company in usage charges over the course of a year as possible. With solar, everyone can save money on energy while making a difference for the environment. From all of us at Exact Solar, thanks for your commitment to a future powered by clean energy.